auto scaling, and along with what? Auto scaling with load balancer. Okay, so what are the steps we need to follow here? So we must have launch template first. We must create one launch template, and second one, we're going to create an auto scaling. Okay, so the launch template contains what? Web server. Okay, we need to install the web server related code within the launch template and create the auto scaling group. So at the time of creating, we need to consider we are going to check the load balancer option, and we need to create what? Within the auto scaling group, we need to create the load balancer, and as well as second one is what? The target group. Load balancer as well as target group for holding the instances. Let me do. First of all, we need to create a launch template now. So just create one launch template here. So that is your Linux launch template. Okay, I'm going to consider the Linux launch template here. So go to EC2, just go to EC2 dashboard here. So just click on the launch templates, click on the launch templates. So create the launch template here. Template name, just mention Linux template. Template version also mention the same thing. And just scroll it down. I'm going to create what? The Linux AMI. And inside the Linux AMI here, instance type, and must be choose some T2 micro. Key pair must be choose some demo here. So we have to create a security group or select an existing security group. So I'm going to select existing security group or create a security group. Okay, create a new security group with the following protocols like SSH, as well as and HTTP. So automatically storage is selected. Automatically storage is selected here. So in the advanced section, we need to copy paste the server script. Just mention the server script here. Let me copy. Just paste over here. So see this thing. So the next template is there. P2 micro is selected. Key pair is selected. Security group is also selected. Volume also selected. It also
సార్ ఒక టెంప్లెట్
master page. Yeah,
హలో
చెప్పొచ్చు.
ఒక
Yeah, చెప్పు.
టెంప్లెట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి అది ఎన్నిటికైనా ఆటో స్కేలింగ్ చేయొచ్చా ఓన్లీ
ఎన్నిటికైనా చేయొచ్చు.
ఓకే
ఎన్నిటికైనా చేయొచ్చు.
ఓకే ఓకే
Okay. Okay. So just click on create a launch template. Okay. Security group name. So I am the Linux group 45. Description also here same thing. Just click on the create launch template. Okay, just click on launch template here. Automatically the template is created. So coming to next thing, now we need to create the auto scaling group. So just go to EC2 instance. Just go to the EC2 instance here. So let me refresh. So click on what? Auto scaling group. So click on create auto scaling group and mention AHG, AHG with ELB. Auto scaling group with application load balancer. Select template must be Linux template. Linux template here. Click on next. Click on and next here. So choose the VPC, default VPC again. Jones, I'm going to select 1A and 1B Jones. 1A and 1B Jones. Click on next. So previously we selected no load balancer. No? So take attached to a new load balancer. Okay. Attached to a new load balancer. So we need to mention the either application load balancer or network load balancer. We need to create the application load balancer. So ALG with the name must be what? Use some name ELB, ELB for ALG. Choose internet facing. Automatically regions 1A 1B are selected. Protocol must be AT only. Okay. Select this one. Otherwise, select this thing. Shell ticking must be nearly 30 seconds. Okay. We mentioned every configuration settings here. So we need to select the every configuration setting here. If you want to create attach the existing load balancer, you are going to create it. Okay. I'm going to attach the new load balancer. Next example, we'll discuss attach to the existing load balancer. So let me click on next. So I got error invalid. So which one is invalid? Let me check. Okay, we need to select target group also. Without target group, okay, it's not possible to attach the instances. Create target. Just click on create target group here. Group name is what? ALBTG. ALBTG. Application load balancer target group. Okay. Load balancer. Load balancer name. Internet facing and the Jones and port and it's the automatically ports and is a target group for holding the instances. Click on next here. We need to mention the capacity. Design must be 2, minimum 1, maximum must be and 4 here. Choose target tracking scaling policy as average CPU utilization. Instance warm up must be some 30 seconds. Click on next. Click on next and next and then create the auto scaling group. It will take some time. Just wait. The scaling is created. Go to EC2 also. Open EC2 automatically. You're able to see instances. What happened automatically? Instances must be added. Okay. Two instances are automatically added here within the two different zones, 1A and 1B zone, which creates auto scaling group, which also creates the load balancer. Click on the load balancer. So go to this load balancer again. Okay. Which also creates the ALB TG. Also creates the target group. So two are initializing here. Just wait for some time. Just refresh here. So the result must be in initializing state only. So it takes some time for and what? For pending to running, it will take some time. Refresh here. Still initializing. Okay. Again refresh here. What happened? You're able to see two or instances. Let me check whether we are going to migrate between the two instances or not. Okay. So go to EC2 dashboard here. Let me copy instance IDs. Go to this instance. Copy the public IP. Just paste over here. Displace mode. First instance information. Go to the second instance. Just go to the second instance. Copy its public IP. Just paste over here. Displace mode. The second instance private IP. Same thing. 78, 78, 78. So now we are going to access. Okay. Now we are going to access the same information by using the what? The load balancer. Okay. The load balancer DNS name. Copy the DNS name. Press enter. So just refresh the page. We are able to get two instances are running here. Okay. So if you want, now I want to delete one. Okay. So what is my next step? I just want to delete. It's better to type what? Terminate. Terminate the resource first. Terminate the resource and then just observe. If you terminate the resource, it will shows only one instance IP address. Okay, why? Because and one of these instance must be terminated, so it's going to show only one instance IP. After some time, after creating the new resource along with the Apache web server, is going to show the second instance also. Now observe here. Observe the last two digits 78 and 232. 78 and 232. So what I'm going to do here is I just want to terminate one instance. Which instance? I'm going to terminate the 78 address instance. That is the first instance. Okay, this is the 45 mode. Okay, 232. CF must be 78. Okay. So I'm going to terminate this instance. Stop instance, stop it, terminate instance and terminate it. Okay, just refresh here. Display only what? 232 only. Okay, for multiple attempts also, it's going to display only one instance IP. Okay, one instance IP. So wait for some time. Shutting down. It must be shutting down. Just wait. Let's go to load balancer. Okay, not load balancer. Auto scaling group. Open auto scaling group. Click on instance management. So what happens automatically? One becomes terminating. Automatically, one more instance is added. One more instance is added here. It will take some time. Here will take some time. Why? Because which must be in which state here? Initializing state only. Okay. Go to EC2. Now it's running, which must be initializing state. Will take some time to complete. We refresh one more time. Go to load balancer target group. Go to RBTG here. So to add, not added, still not yet added. Added. One A and one B. Close this one. Again copy the DNS name here. Okay, we have 251 and 232. 251 and 232. So in this panel is going to create the resource. Okay, is going to create the one more resource and along with what? Along with the HTTP web server. Why? Because what we mentioned in this launch template, we mentioned everything. Okay, including OS and key pair, every detail, and security group protocols, storage, as well as Apache web server information. Everything must be mentioned in your launch template also. So just refresh here, you're able to see 232 and 251 here. Okay. So no new instance IP also generated and added here. So coming to next thing. So this is the first one. So next one is the first example. So second example. So what I'm going to do? I want to create launch template for which instance? I'm going to take Windows instance. Okay, I'm going to create the Windows template and then do the same things. Okay, I'm going to and apply the same things for the Windows instance also. So first of all, we need to remove the existing resources. Okay, just remove the existing resources. Close this one. So here, create auto scaling group first. Okay, create the auto scaling group. Go to auto scaling group here, and then delete it. Just delete the instances. So it also deletes for EC2 also. Okay. What you will find here? We're able to see EC2 instance is also deleted here. So it will take some time, just wait. Refresh it. Deleting. Refresh here. So what happened here? Still landing now, okay? It will take some time, just wait. Still deleting. Okay, wait. What happened? Okay, draining. Okay, able to see status must be draining in the target group. Taking time. Still showing. What happened to my target? What happened here? So taking some time. First for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we move to the next topic. Target registration. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, let it take some time here. So we're going to do one more thing. Click on load balancer also. Delete load balancer. Load balancer deleted. Delete target group. Load balancer is not there. Okay, so it will take its time. So we're going to do one more thing. That is, I'm going to create what? Windows launch template now. Okay. So click on the launch template. Okay, delete the launch template also. If necessary, delete it. Okay. Delete the template. Type delete. Click on delete here. Template also deleted. So now create one more launch template by taking the Windows instance. Not Windows, take Ubuntu. Okay. Better to take Ubuntu because it contains less memory.
లాంచ్ చేసిన టెంప్లెట్ లో మనం కస్టమైజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఉంటుందా?
ఎక్కడ?
అంటే ఇందాక మనం లైనెక్స్ తో చేసాం కదా, ఆ లాంచ్ చేసిన టెంప్లెట్ నే మళ్ళీ మనం విండోస్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి,
చేసుకోవచ్చు.
అంటే కొత్తది
you,
క్రియేట్
you
చేయకుండా.
have to change the capacity. Capacity change చేయాలా?
సపోజ్ ఇందాక మనము స్టోరేజ్ అండ్ సిపియూస్ అంతా స్పెసిఫికేషన్స్ ఇచ్చాం కదా.
అవును.
ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మనం ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ ఓఎస్ ఒకటే కదా చేంజ్ చేస్తుంది. ఆ ఓఎస్ అంటే మళ్ళీ కొత్తది క్రియేట్ చేయకుండా ఓఎస్ ఒకటే చేంజ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ సేమ్ అదే టెంప్లెట్ యూస్ చేయొచ్చా?
టెంప్లెట్ నో నీడ్ టు కస్టమైజ్ చేసుకోలేము.
ఓకే ఓకే
టెంప్లెట్ కస్టమైజ్ చేయడానికి ఛాయిస్ ఉండదు. యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కస్టమైజ్ ఆటో స్కేలింగ్ కస్టమైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే ఓకే
Like increase the resources, decrease the resources. Okay. So why? Because template contains everything. Suppose this script works for only for Linux instances. If I want to launch Ubuntu instances, this command won't work. M is won't work. We need to take update all this type of command. Yum apt install and these things. This type of command we need to write.
ఓకే.
Okay. What happened? Auto scaling of deleted. Go to EC2 here. Refresh here. What happened? Instance also gets deleted. Now we are going to create one more thing, that is so go to EC2 again. So I just search for Apache script for Linux. Apache 2 script for Ubuntu. So we need to take server script. So sudo apt install Apache 2. We need to set all these things. Okay. So we need to take, instead of yum update, we need to write sudo apt update by sudo apt install sudo system ctl. Okay, we need to write. So first of all, I just try one sample here and then I will do the actual thing. Okay. So just create one normal EC2 instance with Ubuntu. If its code is not work, we will face the issue. So I'm going to install the Apache normal Ubuntu system. I need to copy paste the command. Sudo apt update sudo apt install, not HTTPD. We call it as what? We call it as here Apache 2. Otherwise, we just go for the Windows system. If it's not work, we just go for the Windows system. So let me execute this script. Go to instances, connect it using EC2 instance connect. Start this instance. So we need to copy each and every command here. So make it clear. For the first one, we need to use this script. Copy and vi script.sh. Insert paste here. Okay, and save it. Just type sh. Okay, permission denied. Okay, permission denied. Ikkada cannot create where HTML not index. So type what? Sudo, I think. We need to type sudo here. So just change the script here. Once I execute it, so ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Let me search. Access అవుతుందో చూద్దాం. Public IP. I think okay. Ubuntu install. Okay, for getting this type of script. So what we have here? Okay, is not for. Okay, website installed, but we'll take Windows. Okay, we'll take Windows instance. The command is not working properly here in Ubuntu. So we just terminate this resource here. Stop instance, stop it. Just terminate the instance here. So we're going to create what? Don't save. For the Windows template. So go to EC2 dashboard again. Go to EC2 dashboard. Click on launch templates. Create launch template. Template name like and win template here. So no need to attach any script here. Let me copy this. Control C. Just paste it over here. And then in the application OS images, choose the Windows. Search for Windows here. Choose Microsoft Windows Server 2022. Then instance type must be T2 micro. Keypad must be what? Demo. And then create a security group by taking one protocol WinSG. Okay, WinSG. So as a security group rule here. So we need to consider what? For Windows, we need to consider RDP protocol and anywhere IPv4 automatically selected. So add one more protocol, that is HTTP. HTTP protocol as well as anywhere IPv4. So EBS value is there. Okay, that's it. Create the launch template. So create a group name, description. Yeah, give the same name and mention the same description here. To create one launch template for Windows. So what we have to observe, we need to observe, we need to create these things, load balancer, target group, as well as if you terminate instance, whether a new Windows instance is created or not. Okay, that is our observation here. The template is created. Again, go to EC2 dashboard here. So click on what? Auto scaling group and create auto scaling group here. Create the auto scaling group. Group name WinALG. Template must be Win template. Click on next. VPC zone must be, I'm going to choose now 1C and 1D. 1C and 1D now. Click on next. Attach to a new load balancer. Again, I'm going to create a load balancer here. WinALG LB. Internet facing, same thing. Automatically what happens? 1D and 1C is selected. Okay. So create a target group. No need to create target, automatically which will create WinALG and TG. So just scroll it, make it as 30 seconds. Just click on next. Digit must be 2 here. Minimum 1, maximum must be 4. Okay. And then choose wow must be some 30 seconds. Click on next. Click on next. And finally create the auto scaling. So the updating is capacity, just wait. So go to EC2 instance. You have to check whether the so both are created. Both instances are created here with auto scaling group along with the load balancer. Just go to the load balancer, open load balancer. So it's provisioning. So it will take some time to create. In the load balancer, just check the target group. Okay, check the target group here. So two are what? Initializing. Two instances are initializing here, not yet added to the target group. So it will take some time. When it is added, then the status becomes active here. Or sorry, the status becomes in service or active, whatever it may. So go to our dashboard, EC2. So both are running. iPhone is Nazar. iPhone 2. Is this Nazar? Okay. Go to target group, refresh again, till status must be initializing, just wait. It's taking some time. Okay, okay. Load balance is active now. So go to here. Go to auto scaling group here. Instance management. Both are healthy. Okay, both are healthy instances, but target group still not yet added. Unhealthy. What happened? Because timed out. Okay, no need. Becomes healthy after some time. So now what I'm going to do? I'm going to remove one resource. So automatically what happens? One more resource must be added. Suppose I'm going to read the resource in 1C zone. Automatically which will create the resource in 1C zone. Okay, 1C is initializing a register targets. If we manually do this, register these two things. So we need to register the targets now. Include as pending below. Register pending targets. Okay. Wait for some time. One C and one D zone. Okay. Zone related problem actually. With 1A, 1B will not face this much problem. No issue. Suppose we are going to delete one resource. Let me check. East 1C. I'm going to delete it. Okay. From where? Instances. Where's East 1C? I'm going to delete it. Stop instance. Stop it. And terminate instance at terminate it. So zone related problem actually. If it is 1A, 1B will not face any issue. Sorry. Refresh here. 1C resource must be what? 3BB is deleted. Go to auto scaling, refresh here. Is going to add one more resource. Not retrieved. Okay. So we manually add the resources. Manually add the resources. That's why. So one is unhealthy. So let me open auto scaling, refresh here. Okay. You must be what? Unhealthy. Is going to create one more resource called 97E. Let me check. Go to issue dashboard. Click on instances. 97E, which must be pending. So after some time, what happens? Which must be running state. It will take some time. Now instance must be what? 2. 97E added up. 97E successfully added. So in this manner, go to target group here. Okay. It's showing what? One is initializing. Okay. It's not properly added, but it's going to initialize one more instance called 97E also from the auto scaling group. So in this manner, we are going to work with what? Auto scaling group along with the load balancers and target groups. Okay. So let me delete everything here. So do you have any doubts? I explained two examples. First one is Linux. Second one is what? By using the Windows. Select 1A, 1B zones. Okay, not 1C, 1D. Facing some issue in this zone. Select 1A, 1B zone only. So do you have any doubts, Akshat and Vamshi? No doubt. Okay. Then I will delete the resource. First of all, delete the auto scaling group. Actions and delete it. Then delete the load balancer. And finally delete what? Target group. Okay. It will take some time. Just wait. Okay. Delete it. So what happened? For deleting instances, which will take some time. Once the auto scaling group is deleted, automatically instance gets deleted. Okay. Okay. Successfully instance was deleted as well as scaling group also deleted. This is also deleted. and this is the launch template too. Okay, so these are the